Welcome to the Spindle System Repair Acceptance training. This comprehensive video provides a guide to spindle repair, quality checks, and verification protocols, focusing on technical verification. This training covers three main pillars: a standardized process for consistent verification, quality alignment with ISO standards to prevent early failures, and clear acceptance criteria for objective decision-making. The purpose is to prevent failure by checking critical parameters and to standardize the repair process. This ensures supplier accountability and facilitates continuous improvement through data. This process has universal application for all CNC machine brands and is used immediately post-repair. Acceptance is based on brand-neutral, objective OEM specifications, maintaining global consistency. The process flows from the completion of the repair to a comprehensive inspection. Next, evidence is collected for validation, leading to the final decision of acceptance or rejection based on the data. Key technical checks include visual and mechanical inspection, verification of lubrication and runout, and analysis of bearing preload and vibration. All findings must be thoroughly documented. Spindle vibration is evaluated using ISO 10816-20816 standards. Only equipment that meets Zone A or Zone B criteria, with RMS velocities up to 4.5 millimeters per second, is approved for production. Evidence requirements include visual proof of key stages, like bearing replacement and runout measurement setup. This media ensures traceability and supports dispute resolution with an upload limit of 1 gigabyte. Traceability data captures documentation about the repair provider, component details, and performance monitoring. This is essential for supplier accountability, quality control, and warranty support. The final decision to accept or reject is strictly based on technical inspections and requires meeting all critical standards. Failures necessitate adjustment or rework. Note the Zero Tolerance Rule BI for risk assessment. Your role involves accurately completing the form, using precise measurements and calibrated instruments. Clearly document any issues and follow the logical flow, ensuring data integrity by completing all required fields. Thank you for being safe today. Before you do, think it through. Plan your work your plan, and ensure spindle accuracy and reliability.